a new day. It's a new life for me, yeah. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. And I'm feeling good.
Hey Harding fam, what's up? It's Kelty and welcome back to this week's video. I'm so excited. In a few days, I am going to be going to Italy and Barcelona for a field hockey trip. That's kind of like all the details I'm going to say. I'm going to try to film the trip if I can. I don't know if I'll be able to because I'm not going to bring vloggy. Yeah, I am so excited. I have a bunch of stuff to pack. I've been packing like for the past week with my parents, gathering everything, and I'm going to be showing y'all what I'm going to be bringing for like a 10-day trip. So I'm so excited, and let's just get straight into the video. Subscribe if you haven't, and let's go. Okay, so I have all my stuff here, and I'm going to just quickly lay it out so I can show y'all everything. Okay, I have set out everything, guys. This is like a lot of stuff for 10 days, but I have one suitcase that I'm allowed to bring. So I'm going to see if I can fit everything in here. Okay, I'm going to start off by showing you guys the like big main clothing items. So I'm only allowed to bring the one backpack for the plane ride and then one suitcase, and this is my four-wheeler suitcase. Starting off with what I packed, I have this puffer jacket. So we are first going to Rome, Italy, and I'm so excited. But we've kind of like checked the weather, and apparently it's going to be like mid 60s next week, so, or like low 60s. So I'm packing this. This is like the biggest jacket I'm bringing. It's this really like puffy pink one. It's super cute and it's fitting. Green, but I literally love it, and I think it's going to be perfect if it gets really, really cold. Next jacket option is just this vest to keep me a little bit warmer. It's this nice black fitted one. It's a sleeveless one. Again, it's really nice light puffy quality. So I think this is like my third to last biggest like kind of jacket sweater option. It's just this plain black like woolen sweater. I don't know, really soft. And I can honestly kind of make these like the vest and the sweater into kind of make a black jacket. It's kind of my idea for it. And then my last item if it gets cold is this like really nice furry material. This is from Factory. It's kind of like this mid-length cropped long fuzzy sleeve. I think this is going to be nice to wear with jeans. And then moving on to bottoms like pants and all that stuff, I have these long American Eagle dark blue wash denim jeans that are actually flare. Which I love, like bootcut flare. I love that style of jean. So this I can wear with many different tops, which I love. And then my second and kind of like only pair of jeans are these pink ones from Cotton. So it's like this, I don't even know if it's denim. I think it is denim. But it's just pink, like kind of straight leg pants. They're really cool, kind of like cargo vibes. That's what I would say. These are the only two bottoms that I can pair all my tops with, and I've made sure to match all my tops to be able to match with these and my jeans. For my last or second to last pair of pants, I have these Arrow, really kind of like old, more thinner yoga pants. So they're not like the thick Lululemon material. There's just this low-waisted flare yoga pants, which I absolutely love. They're very comfy. They're also going to be my pajama pants, I think. And then more of my like sportier day, kind of like walking around if I want to be comfortable, I have the Lulu Align leggings, I think. I don't really know what type of leggings, but they're just plain black Lulus. I didn't want to bring any of like the camel or cheetah print pattern because I wanted it to be able to match with all of my like pattern tops. And then now this is the last pair of pants I'm bringing. It's these really cool, like this just I thought would be really cool in Italy. They're just long, flowy, very flowy pants, and I'm just gonna match a plain black kind of like fancier top if we're going out for like fancy dinner or something. I don't really know. I want to bring stuff for all occasions, but this is how they look. And now moving on to like shorts and skirts, kind of like shorter bottoms. I have my options over here. So first thing is these comfy sleeping shorts, but also just like chill shorts, not only to sleep in. They're really nice. They are from TJ Maxx. They also came in gray, but my sister has the gray. They're actually a really soft material. I love how the white is like an outline. And then for like a day out walking in like Rome probably, because we're gonna be doing like a few tours, I feel like this little white lace skirt would be so cute and it fits so nicely. Have a little red top to match with this. And then just have some plain American Eagle denim ripped shorts. Don't worry, these are like not see-through. There's like a material under them. But these are amazing. I love them. For like my whole life, I've been looking for the perfect pair of jean shorts, and American Eagle had these. They came through. They're not too short, not too long. And then from Forever 21, I have my second pair of shorts, which I feel like are so perfect for Spain and Italy. It's this corduroy pattern, if you guys know what I mean. They're like brown and they're so cute, and I have a perfect top. I actually have a few perfect t-shirts and tank tops to match with these. These are one of my absolute favorite shorts ever. Okay, so that's it for the bottoms. I do have a few dresses that I'm going to show, and then we'll get into the tops. So I feel like if you're going to Spain or Italy, we're going to Rome, Barcelona, and Madrid. I feel like it's perfect and good to always have dresses on hand. So I have 3 perfect summer dresses that I thought would be perfect in Italy and Spain. So first one I absolutely love. It is actually my sister's, and she wore it in Greece. It is this little blue and white sundress. It is so cute, and it's actually like lace. Also, I love this little detailing in the front. For Italy or Spain, I don't know which one. I actually wore this in Mexico, and it is this really bright and colorful, like mid-length flowy dress. Got it from TJ Maxx. It's such good quality, and it's super cute, bright and colorful, and I just love orange and pink together. And then as my last dress, if it's anywhere a little bit fancier, I feel like maybe in Rome, it's this little dainty, don't worry, it's not too short, but it is from H&M, and it's this little dainty floral lace little dress, and I absolutely love these. I got this as a Christmas present, if you guys saw it during Vlogmas. And yeah, those are my 3 dresses. Okay, moving on to t-shirts and tank tops, like the tops. I have this shoulderless tank top. It's this really cute polka dot one, nice and fitted, and it has this really cool like v-neck with ruffles, and it's a little bit more of a fancy to match with these really cool pants that I was talking about. I have this black plain fancier top. It can be off the shoulder or it can be like on, nice and fitted, super cute and simple. Okay, hi guys, the camera battery died, so I waited a few hours for it to charge, and I'm back. Woo! I've been working on a research paper with grandma before I leave tomorrow, but I'm so excited. So most of this trip is honestly kind of like me just packing for every situation, every season, so I'm prepared. We're gonna start off with 2 long sleeve shirts. They're both from H&M. They're really nice. We got them a few years ago. They're kind of like matching. So the first one is this like maroon, pink, white, black, and like fall orange color. Really nice, slim fitting. It's like skinny jeans but in a long sleeve version. So this is nice to fit with jeans and everything like that. And then the second one is the exact same, but it's just this pattern. And then next shirt, this is actually Kaya's. It's from Brandy Melville. It's just this really basic little white t-shirt that I can wear. I'm thinking it would look really cute with these corduroy shorts, so I'm so excited to wear outfit. Yeah, I literally love anything like cowgirl, cowboy vibes. Next up, to go with that little white lace skirt that I showed you guys, I have this little H&M red kind of like tied in the front tank top, if you could say, like a little t-shirt, and it looked so cute on. It's more like romantic, I don't know, just really cute vibes, and it has this cool like cross in the front. So also, if it's a little bit warm of a day, I think this is the last t-shirt I have, but I feel like I'm gonna be wearing many layers anyways. But this is this, I don't know where it's from. I think it's from PacSun, but it's this really cute little floral thing, and I'm actually going to be, it has a little tie in the front, and it was a little bit like too low and stuff. So the secret my mom and I figured out is that if I wear it backwards, it actually looks super cute, and in the back it has a really fun detail. It would probably look best with shorts. And then moving on from my clothes, I have 2 swimsuits. They said we might be able to go for a possible swim in the Mediterranean, which I think is like Rome. So just in case that happens, I have 2 swimsuits. I don't know, I just want to be prepared, and I love these both. I feel like this is very Italy. So the first one you guys have probably seen from other pack with me's, but it is from Canon. It is this really cute like one piece, and it has this cool cutout and little bow thing in the front. Really like more like grandma old-fashioned texture, but honestly it's like those old money vibes, which I love. And then the second one has this brown little cool, like it can be strapless, it can like tie around the neck, it can be like put on so many different ways, and I thought this was so cute. I love brown and black. And then I just have some plain black bottoms. And then if we do go swimming or anything, I do have this little black cover up that you can like scrunch up on one side. Has like a little tie. It's like a 2-layer fishnet. I think it's from Forever 21. Yes, it's so cute. I probably will end up not using that because I honestly don't really know if we're gonna go swimming, but just in case, want to be prepared. And then to go with my like yoga pants pajama bottoms, I have this. So for my 16th birthday, I got like a silk pajama set. And this is, it's like a really dark forest green color. Here it's just like a silk t-shirt, and I'm going to be pairing this with my yoga pants for my pajamas. Then next, I'm so excited. I have a few bag options that I'm going to be bringing around town, and I'll just show you. So this is the bag I'm going to be bringing around town. It's just this little simple black little backpack, I think from like Forever 21 or something. I'm bringing this just in case I need to put like my jacket in my bag. So I'm bringing this as an option because my other purse options, I have 3 purse options. So this option is from Forever 21. That's a really cool low gold chain. I love that I have different options because I can match them with different outfits when we're walking around town, because I feel like we're gonna walk around the city a lot. It's just a little simple black one, and then I feel like this one is really good for Rome because I just think of like red and the color maroon when I think of Rome. Also like can match certain outfits. I feel like these can go well together. I'm just picturing things. Second option, like these two can't fit a jacket, so if it's probably a hotter day I will use these. And then my last purse option is just this really cute little light pink crossbody, you know, just in case no one pickpockets you, because you know we're going to Europe. I just want to be safe, so I have this as an option. Moving on to bathroom essentials, everything like that. So they told us to bring our own towels just in case we go swimming or there's like a pool or something. I don't really know. I don't think there's gonna be, but just in case. I have my pool towel. This is a really cool plant one because I love plants. And then this is my shower towel, matches it, kind of green vibes for when I shower. And if we don't end up going to swimming anywhere, that could be like my second shower towel, so I can like exchange them every other day. Then I have my 2 toiletry bags. I have 2 because I have a lot of things I'm going to be bringing, because this is my first time I'm traveling without my parents ever. So this is a big deal, traveling without my parents. So I am the one responsible for like my toiletries and medical stuff that normally my parents would carry. In the first bag, we have all of my shampoo, conditioner, any like nasal spray if my ears start to hurt, ointment, like basically like a little first aid kit, and shampoo and conditioner in here. And then I also have this toothbrush holder case that I'm gonna put my toothbrush in. Still have to pack that, and my toothpaste. And then I also have some secret deodorant in the shade, not in the shade, in the scent coconut, which I love, from Target. And then the second bag we I have dry shampoo, a little travel size one, because I feel like, I don't know, just in case I need a little touch up, this is perfect to bring in my little bags everywhere I go. This is the company Refresh in the scent vanilla. Perfect for traveling. I got this yesterday with my sisters. Then I have some face cleanser, some face moisturizer, Cetaphil. And then the only like makeup products I'm bringing is some A&D lip stuff, because my lips are currently really dry and they just do get dry really easily. Some Mary Kay liquid blush that I can just tap in with my finger, and then some like lip tint stain kind of stuff, some mascara. This is just in case we go anywhere and I want to feel a little fancy when we're probably not playing field hockey games or anything. So I am responsible for like carrying everything myself, my passport. This is going to be fun. Next up is my field hockey things. So everything that I need to play a field hockey game and be prepared for that. Starting off with my field hockey stick, I'm using the neon yellow green JDH field hockey stick. I love this thing. Then we have my shin guards. Very essential for a game. We have my field hockey shoes. And then as shoe options for this tour, I'm gonna see if I can fit any more options, but I think the basic 2 things I'm gonna be using 99% of the time is either my Air Force Ones, which I cleaned. They were really dirty and like yellow, but now they're like so white. I bleached the shoelaces and everything just looks so nice and clean. I'm gonna be walking in these all around town and stuff just so I don't get blisters. And then I also have some plain white flip-flops that I also cleaned, and now they're super nice and white. And then for electronics and stuff, I have to bring all my own chargers and everything. So I have this adapter that can plug into USA, Australia, Europe, and the UK, which is really nice. You just slide which ones. It has all the options, so it's like an international adapter, which my dad gave me to use. I have the little iPhone adapter plug that plugs into that. I still need to get an iPhone charger from downstairs, but I also am bringing a portable charger everywhere I go, just so my because my iPhone runs out of battery pretty quickly. So this is a little black charger for that. Then to pay with, like when I go either shopping or to restaurants and stuff, I'm going to be using my dad's Apple Watch, and then here's the charger for that. So here's all my electronics. And then in my carry-on, I'm going to be bringing my passport with a little pen just in case, you never know if you need to write anything down. And then this is the travel carry-on that we're going to be bringing on the plane. We're only allowed to bring this bag and a suitcase, so this is the one that everyone gets. It says travel and sport. I'm so excited. We're gonna look so cool as a team walking through the airport, all matching stuff. It has a lot of space. In here I'm gonna pack snacks, which I'm going to get today or tomorrow. So I'm gonna have my passport in here, some headphones that I took from first class a few flights ago. I have my Juice Plus, link in description if you guys want to go get some. It's like the fruit and vegetable gummies. They taste literally like candy. I could eat them all day. So I have this for the next 10 days. And then I also have a little like Juice Plus container of some Advil just in case I get any headaches. A note, just in case, always good to have on hand. So yeah guys, this is the end of the pack with me for Italy and Spain. I'm so excited to go on this tour. Hopefully I'll be able to vlog some. I think we'll just make it shorts and reels and Instagram posts, but make sure to follow us on all the other socials to see the behind the scenes stuff and the trip. I'm so excited, and yeah, this is all I am packing for the trip. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see y'all in our next video. Bye!